Hey guys, so I'm back with these dragon skin nails. These nails were created using the soap bubble and gel polish technique that went viral on Instagram not long ago. And if you want to know how I achieved this 3D texture design, keep watching. So I started off with painting 3 coats of this multi-chrome polish. It's from Colour Club's oil slick collection. And then with a cup, I just applied some dishwashing soap into it. And then using some hot water, I just created some bubbles. And I applied 1 coat of gel top coat. And while that gel top coat was still wet, I just dolloped a load of bubbles on there. Careful not to smudge into the polish. And then, not touching it, I just put those bubbles on my finger in the lamp for 2 minutes. And then once that was cured, I just wiped it off, and there you go. You have this design. This is so cool the way it worked out. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!